Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase your Zonai battery. We'll cover collecting essential materials, understanding the upgrade process, and maximizing your energy capacity. This guide will help you power your Zonai devices more effectively and explore further without running out of power. Get ready to boost your adventures and capabilities. To begin, you'll need crystallized charges. These are primarily obtained by defeating formidable constructs found throughout the world, especially in the depths. You can also find large deposits of charges in the depths or trade zonate ore at various refineries. Gathering these charges is the first crucial step towards a stronger battery. Once you have a good supply of crystallized charges, seek out a special steward construct. These constructs are your key to upgrading. You can exchange 100 crystallized charges for one energy well. Each energy well you acquire will add 1/3 of a segment to your Zonai battery, gradually increasing its overall capacity. To completely fill one full battery, you will need to collect a total of 300 crystallized charges, which translates to 3 energy wells. By consistently gathering charges and exchanging them, you can significantly expand your Zonai battery. A larger battery allows you to power more complex and powerful Zonai devices for extended periods, enhancing your exploration and combat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.